will sell tickets throughout the awards, so if you've not bought your tickets yet, you still have time. Starbucks will be here also, so if you need coffee to get over winning,
check out these fellas here. Yeah,
we have
little Jacob, my buddy. Good luck.
Okay, here we go on trophies. Our first category, Sweetest Ride, sponsored by the Buena Park Elks Emblem Club, goes to car number 47, a 1951 Chevy convertible.
Woo!
Bobby and Carol from Placentia.
Bobby! Hey, Bobby, and it's for sale.
That is for sale,
Bobby.
Thank you.
Oh, picture. Here, Gary, here.
We got to do this ride, huh?
Now we got 3
Smile.
Smile, here we go.
All right, congratulations, Bobby.
Thank you for coming to Carl's. Our next category, Best Truck, sponsored this in memory of Ray Thornton, goes to car number 36, a 1970 Chevy pickup, Richard from Orange.
Richard. I think it's that one right there, huh? Yeah. Way to go, Richard. Gotcha.
Congratulations, Richard. Thank you for coming to Carl's. Our next category, Best Original, sponsored by the OC Car Guy, goes to car number 18, a 1971 Dodge Challenger RJ.
Ooh, I saw that
Dave
one.
and Kathy
That
from
is
Westminster.
How about that? Hey. That's a pretty one. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Gotcha. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yep.
Congratulations, Dave and Kathy. Thank you for coming to Carl's. Our next category, Project Car, sponsored by West Coast Muffler, goes to car number 37, a 1970 Chevy Chevelle. Dave from Westminster.
Dave. 70 Chevelle. Under oath, represent. All right, smile. Cool. Under oath, car club walks with a trophy. Way to go, David.
Thank you.
Congratulations. Thank you for coming to Carl's. Our next category, Best Detailed, sponsored by SoCal Car Culture, goes to car number 30, a 1931 Ford Town Sedan.
Woo!
Chuck from Cerritos.
Woo! 31 Town Sedan. I think that's like 4 points away from being the original. Wow. Cool.
Should I say you brought that car right? No.
Congratulations,
Yeah,
Chuck. Thank you for coming to Carl's. Our next category, Veterans Choice, sponsored by the Vet to Vet organization out of Long Beach, goes to car number 2, a 1956 Ford F-100. Ron and Cindy from Whittier.
Wow. Ron and Sandy. 51. Here comes Ron. Way to go, Ron.
Thank you.
All right. Cool.
Congratulations, Ron. Thank you for coming to Carl's. Thank you for your service. Our next category, Best Street Rod, sponsored by the Buena Park Elks, goes to car number 3, a 1934 Ford 3-window coupe Don from Whittier.
Ooh, 3-window coupe. 34. This be Don. Woo. Way to go, Don. All right. There.
Congratulations, Don.
Congratulations.
Thank you for coming to the Elks. Carl's.
You knew that was going to happen.
Getting old. Our next category, muscle car. Sponsored by the OC Car Guy. Goes to car number 25, a 1955 Chevy Bel Air. David from Garden Grove.
All right. All right, Steve. There you have it, from Lakewood.
Congratulations, Steve. Thank you for coming to Carl's. Almost blew it. Our next category, Best GM, sponsored by Hilco Fastener Warehouse, goes to car number 32, a 1955 Chevy 210, Greg from Huntington Beach.
Oh, Greg Verdugo. Whoa, represent HB. Wow. Gotcha. All right. Way to go,
Congratulations, Greg. Thank you for coming to Carl's. Our final category, Best of Show, sponsored by Roy Ray Insurance Services, goes to car number 15, a 1947 Ford Woody, Al from Anaheim.
Way to go, Al. Hey. A Donadera regular. New member of the Woody Club.
My maiden voyage out.
Ooh, way to go, Al. Look at that.
Wow.
OC Car Guy.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, that's me.
Cool.
The turkey.
Yeah, you got it. How about that?
Congratulations, Al. Thank you for coming.